Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Amazon Alexa to Wi-Fi. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect your Amazon Alexa device to Wi-Fi, what you need to do is set up the Alexa device. Plug in your Alexa device and wait for the light ring to turn orange, indicating it's in setup mode. Number 2 is to open up the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from App Store, iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Number 3 is add a new device. In the Alexa app, tap the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select add device. Choose Amazon Echo and then the specific Echo model you are setting up. Number 4 is to connect to Wi-Fi. The app will prompt you to connect Alexa to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions when it asks you to choose a Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. If your Alexa doesn't automatically go into setup mode, press and hold the action button, the button with a dot, for about 25 seconds until the light ring turns orange. Number 5 is to complete the setup. Once connected, Alexa will confirm that it's online and ready to use. You can now begin issuing commands or asking Alexa to play music, control smart devices, etc. If you have trouble connecting, ensure your Wi-Fi is working properly and that you are using 2.4 GHz network, because most Alexa devices don't support 5G networks. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.